So this video is for you if you're thinking of taking advantage of the higher rents and the lower property prices that we're seeing right now to buy an investment property. As I've spoken about in recent videos, higher interest rate reduces a person's borrowing capacity, especially when you're buying for an investment. So for many people, this has meant having to save either a much bigger deposit or to have to buy a cheaper property than they wanted to. In some cases, the amounts that you could borrow were so small that even if you had a lot of equity in your home because of the rising property prices, you couldn't even buy a one-bedroom unit. Nearly every month for the last year has seen the borrowing capacities for our clients fall. But after all of that bad news, I've started to see a change. In the last fortnight, a handful of banks have made some changes to make it easier for you to buy an investment property. These changes have increased the amount that you can borrow. Now, without getting into lots of detail, they're improving the way that they're factoring in both the high rental returns that people are getting and how they calculate the negative gearing benefits that investors receive. So let's say you checked a few weeks ago and you could borrow $500,000 to buy a rental property. Today, you may be able to borrow an extra $25,000 to $50,000 depending upon the lender. And this is on top of what you might be able to do yourself, like closing a credit card or paying off smaller debts. Now, many economists are saying that they think the Reserve Bank might increase interest rates 1 to 3 times over the next few months before they stop and wait to see the outcome on the economy. And I think that once the media starts reporting that the interest rate increases have stopped, you'll start to see many of the people who are sitting on the fence at the moment change their minds and try to buy something so that they don't miss out. This could easily see homes starting to sell really quickly again and a small up bump in prices. If you think this may be of interest to you, please don't hesitate to book a call.